Hey guys, welcome to another adventure. In today's video, we are down in the southwest again. Let's just pan around here. If you can see that properly, we're at Wellington Dam. Absolute beautiful day today. I was a bit weary, I thought it was going to rain. A bit of showers around, but today and tomorrow is going to be pretty good, so quite happy with that. Looks like they've rebuilt the bridge down here, or rebuilding. Yeah, I remember parking down there a very long time ago and we had a look from down there. It's been a while since I've been to Wellington Dam. Never actually been to this platform either. Have you guys been to Wellington Dam? What do you think? That mural's pretty cool. I think it's faded a bit over the years. Used to really stand out before from what I remember. So we'll be camping in this general area. You'll find in due time where we're going to hopefully stay tonight. As you all know, I'm not really equipped for wet weather, so hopefully it doesn't rain at all. It shouldn't. The weather forecaster said 0% chance of rain for the today and tomorrow, so it should be pretty good. But anyway, I'm going to go fly around with the drone. Enjoy the footage. Hey guys, we are now at the campground. So as you would have seen in the intro before, we are near Wellington Dam. For something completely new, we are staying at Honeymoon Pool in this Wellington Dam area. There's a few other campgrounds around as well. I've driven through here many years ago, never camped, but we've driven around. I am blown away by this campground. I'm in campsite 20. So I'm right at the end, just before the gate. Like the gate is just over behind my swag there. And I think we're in some sort of valley as well. A lot of road noise. And as you can see, the road is just here. Comes through and goes out there towards Stonebrook and the other one, I think it is. How beautiful is this? Beautiful day. As said before, shouldn't be raining. But yeah, without hesitation, I got here, and as you can see behind me, I've got the swag set up, the awning set up. I thought somebody had left rubbish, but the nice people that were here before me have left firewood and even some newspaper. So we can finally have fires. One thing to note is the Department of Parks and Wildlife website said no fires. And it's April already, it's like mid-April. And from what I understood, fires could be from April to November. But it kept saying for out here and many other places that no fires. Yet I come out here and the signage at the place says that we can have fires. So don't know what we're meant to do with that sort of information. The website says no, but when you get out here it says you can. So I didn't bring anything with me. I thought, oh, I'll just can't have fire, so be it. But yeah, to find out that we can have fires out here, the person before me left me some firewood and some newspapers. So I got the fire lighting gear anyway, because it's just part of my gear that I have. The generosity of the previous camper has allowed me to hopefully have a bit of a fire tonight. The other good thing too is it's much cooler now. Should be, I think when I was driving around, it was about 17, 18 degrees. And it's meant to get down to 7 tonight. So a bit on the nippy side, I think. But it should be pretty good inside the swag. Haven't had a problem with, being cold before, I don't think. It's finally good to come out when it's not hot. As I mentioned in the previous videos, I started camping at the wrong time. So now we're starting to get into winter. It's autumn at the moment, but we're starting to get into winter. So it should be cooling down a lot. Now, speaking of that, I have got more camps coming up, but it is, of course, weather permitting. I've got 2 more after this one coming up in the coming months. But it all depends on if it's going to be crap weather or not. And actually too, this weekend was going to be Charlie's Flat at Lane Pool. And the weather was looking pretty rough up there. Like there was going to be a bit of rain. Not much, but still something. So I thought, I might as well cancel that one and try find somewhere else. And it's like, as I've been saying, I've been meaning to try get out a bit more to different campsites. So yeah, I looked at Honeymoon Pool and Bay 20 and I think a few others were available. It's so peaceful and quiet out here. Like, you got the odd people around me making noise, as they do, whatever. Other than that, it's still, it's nice and cool. The birds are making noise. I'm just really blown away by how great it is out here. So yeah, camping trips coming up hopefully soon, weather permitting. I hope to, have a backlog of videos for you guys to watch. But I might as well warn you now that in the coming months, due to weather, there could be a week where I don't have a video or thing. We'll see how things go. I can't tell you right then and now, like here and now, whether there's going to be enough videos out to last if I miss a camp or whatever. So we'll have to take things as it comes. But yeah, I'm really looking forward to it. Cooler weather, hopefully not raining, able to have fires now. It's just so good. Have you guys stayed at Honeymoon Pool or in this area before? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We've come down to, I guess, the pool, Honeymoon Pool. Fairly busy down here. Try to find a little quiet area to get away from everybody. But yeah, this is my view. Look at that. Beautiful. A few ducks going around. The water here is surprisingly clear too. Like, it's obviously fairly deep in this part. But you go to the edges and you can kind of see the bottom. Can't believe how peaceful it is here though. Yeah, all through that way where all the kids are down there and the ducks. It's all nice and shallow, like through those rocks and all that, so it's pretty cool. Yeah, on a warmer day it'd probably be really nice to go for a swim here. Just overhearing people that have hopped in the water just while I was setting up before. They're saying it's apparently pretty warm, so. But how nice is it? Look at the ducks. At least the ducks are enjoying themselves. And the sound of the birds. Beautiful day otherwise. I don't know if it's safe to be walking along that to get over there and then walk across there. I did think about it at first, but then I thought, knowing me, I'd probably slip. Not exactly a nice drop. This area is just completely shaded. This is the day use area. I guess when the water's higher too, it'd be through this part as well. It'd be like a little island on there. First time I've been through this area. Like I said, I've driven before, but never got out and had a look. So obviously it does go upstream a little bit more. But there's no way to get your boat up there. But yeah, obviously when the water's higher, this part through here would be full of water. So a bit of an island there most of the time. Once again, you can see how low the water is. Normally be up here. But come winter time soon, we start getting a lot more rain. The water level will come up. But how beautiful is this? Yeah, let's go further up. Oh, that's the other thing I noticed too. Oh, there's a campsite just there, but there's a path all through this part. So I'm not actually entering anybody's particular campsite, I don't think. Don't know if the camera shows it, but you can really see how clear it is in here. Look at that. Drops off a little bit, but then the rocks over there. Wow, that's crazy. So beautiful, so still. Don't know if I feel adventurous or not. I've got my hiking boots on, but still don't know how good they are on slippery surfaces. I'm not going to get too adventurous. Just checking. It feels a little bit slippery. This place is like a mixture. It's a mixture of peace and quiet, and then the humans bring the noise. But it's not consistent, so it's reasonable. I wonder what it'd be like coming out here during the week. It's Saturday, by the way. It'd be so peaceful. I'll have to look into that. If you're feeling really adventurous, you can climb out on that log and jump in. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Feels like I'm in a bird safari park. So you can bring your boat through here if you wanted to. Just got to find a decent launch spot. See, like a shallow in this part as well. It's crazy. I'm guessing you guys can hear all those birds going ballistic. That's a different noise too, I haven't heard that one before. So yeah, you got campsites pretty much here. You drive in, like there's a drive part there, and your campsite is all on the left hand side, I think. I think there's a few on the right hand side, but it pretty much just goes up through there, down to 20 where I am, and then the gate, there's a gate and you go left or right. The other thing about Honeymoon Pool actually is it's a swag and tent campsite only. There's really not much room for even rooftop tents. It's more suited to tents and swags. So don't try to bring your caravan in here, or if you've got a large rooftop tent set up, there's really not much room for your parking. I have no idea where this trail goes. Here I am doing an unintentional mini hike again. It's just so beautiful though. It's not hot. Oh, hello, what have we got up here? Oh, I think we've got a little lookout. I'm glad I walked further. Oh, here we go. What do we have here? Oh, how cool is this? One thing I must say, I don't know what this river is actually called. No idea what this is called. Failed on the research department. See, now I'm away from the camping area a little bit. It's just birds. Some of the noises I've never heard before. The path keeps going too, along there. I'm not sure how far. But looking in the distance though, there's some rocks. And I'm curious to know what those rocks are. Maybe we'll keep going. Do you guys enjoy my little mini walk and talk, my mini hikes? Like a moment you guys are just joining me on the walk. Out here in nature, out here where it's peace and quiet most of the time. So glad I've come out of here. the thing I had to do was explore other campsites. I knew in my mind, and I've said this before, that I couldn't keep going back to Lane Pool. And even admittedly, the last time I was there, like, I like it out there. It's a beautiful place. But I must admit I got a bit bored. And I guess that's what's pushed me to go, you need to go further. You need to go explore these other campgrounds you've never been to before. And I'm glad I did, because I'd be missing out on all this if I didn't come out here. Get out of my comfort zone, go further, enjoy this peace and quiet now that I'm away from the campsite. This is what I enjoy. Like I said, I'm a big fan of the long distance hikes, or the ones that go up and down hills and that kind of thing. But this isn't too bad. And it's not hot. But again, I'm not prepared. I didn't bring any water with me. I thought about it, but then I wasn't intending to come this far. We've got a bit of stairs. At least they provide stairs. Oh, there's a bridge. So these are those rocks I was telling you about that I was going to come up to. There's another look out here. But as I go further, there's a bridge out there through here. Might be the car bridge coming in, I can't remember. Wow. You got to see the hole there, and there's a bit of wood over there. There must have been a mini bridge through here. Not sure how long ago, but there must have been something. A bridge to nowhere, technically. I don't think it went all the way across, but it looks like it at least went to that rock where that tree is. The water flowing up there is where that bridge was. And I thought it was here where these rocks are. But I'm going to draw the line a little bit. I'm not going to walk to the bridge. I'll do that maybe another time. For now, though, I'm happy where I've come. Would have been nice if they had a chair here for me. Nice chair where I can just sit down, enjoy this peace and quiet. Sound of the birds, sound of that water back there. Absolutely amazing. Absolutely love it. This is what I want, guys. I'm so glad I've come out here. I know I'm bantering on, I'm blabbering on and all the rest of it. But I feel so happy in myself that I've come out to a new campground, which means more content for you guys, more nature and peace and quiet for me, more solo camping experience, which I feel as though I'm getting better at as time goes on. A few little niggly things still around. And as you know, I'm fussy about the noise from other people. I don't think that's going to go away anytime soon, but I get better at it. I get better as time goes on. More tolerant, I should say. And I used to get so grouchy at it all. Like, no matter what noise, if it wasn't natural, I didn't like it. But I'm getting better. Anyway, guys, I'm not going to show you the walk back because we've already been that way. But unless I find something else, in the meantime, I'll see you guys back at camp.